Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I've been waiting to do this video for you to show you my sensitive plant. And I'll be honest with you, my first one died. So if you decide to get this plant, I suggest getting two. But this one is actually budding and I don't have any flowers to show you, but I'll probably put that up when I see them. Now, why do they call this a sensitive plant? I have a Q-tip with me because I'm holding my phone to record. So if you touch this plant, it closes up. Let's see if I can get one to do it for you. Oh, it must not like the Q-tip. Must be your hand. See that? And that's why they call it the sensitive plant. Because whenever you touch it, it closes up. Maybe that's a good thing to know, that with the Q-tip didn't really bother it. Because if you have to dust it or something, oh, isn't that cool? I didn't know that. But anyway, if you touch it, it will close up. So that's why they call it the sensitive plant. But it is windy out here, so, but it's closed, they're closing up. So anyway, that's why they call it the sensitive plant. It can be grown inside or outside. I felt like it might have been a little fussy for me, but I haven't been used to it, so it could just be me. I usually treat each plant like a kid. I kind of go with what I feel like it needs and leave it at there. But your kids will have a ball. These are poisonous, but they'll have a ball playing with it, touching it. Just wash their hands afterwards, I guess. But isn't this cool? It can get really big and beautiful. You can grow it inside, and I'm going to grow mine inside in a sunny window. But I did put it in a sunny window. This is how I killed the first one. And it ended up burning up and dying. So I'm going to put mine like a little bit away from the sun so that I can keep a good eye on it. And that's what I would tell you about all your plants. Don't get yourself married to instructions. Throw away all the rules and put the plant in your house and find out where it is happiest. But these guys hated the bright sun in my house, and they died in my front picture window, which is a west-facing window, and I live in upstate New York. They're doing okay right now. I have them on the front porch with me, but I'm going to bring them in, and they seem to be doing good under a plain LED light. I grow a lot of my plants under an LED light. It's just, I move them around all the time like I'm babysitting. I'm a plant mom, right? So anyway, this is a sensitive plant. It's really, really cool looking, and I'm hoping that it does great for me. And I have two of them, and I figure, hey, if I make a mistake with one, I have a backup. And I actually felt like they were hard to find. I didn't think they were that easy to find. So if you get them, make sure you get two. Okay, guys. Ruthie Popo with the Popo Backyard Farm. That's how you take care of a sensitive plant. Basically, they like the sun. Water them once a week. And just keep an eye on them, because if they start getting crispy or dry, move them immediately to a better spot. Okay, we'll see ya in the next video. God bless.